Hello everyone, welcome to the video. From today, I am going to upload a series tutorial on CapCut where I will show you step-by-step guideline or process to work or edit your video in CapCut. Let me open CapCut here. This is the CapCut interface. Here you have to sign in first. Otherwise, you cannot remove watermark. Just log in with a Google or TikTok account. Now select setting to get the version details. You can check the version is updated or not. If you want to delete existing project, you can delete it, but it will not be permanently deleted. To delete permanently, you have to go to the trash and delete all of them. Now, select create project for a new project. So, this is the interface. Here you can see bunch of different options available. Let me introduce one by one. At the very left side, you will find an option called video, where you have to import all the files you are going to edit. Next one is audio selection, where you will find different audio and sound effects. Next, it has text section where you will find pre-built text template, auto captions, and so on. Next section is sticker, where you will find different stickers. These are useful. You don't need to collect them from different websites. This is one of the best feature in CapCut. There are other features we will know one by one. Then it has effect section. This is the best option in CapCut. Just drag and drop the effects and your videos looks professional. And this is why CapCut is the best free video editor software right now for every users. Next section is transition section. You can add professional transition between clips. It has pre-built awesome transitions. This is why I enjoy editing video in CapCut. Next, it has auto caption, filters, etc. If you click on the footage in the timeline, another section will appear in the top right corner. Here you will find a bunch of options for editing. You can keyframe, animate the video, masking, and so on. And you will find an audio option where you will able to speed up or slow your voice, reduce noise, auto voice adjustment, and different AI voice option. You can add predefined animation, just drag and drop the animation into the video. After that, you find a bunch of options in timeline. They are like split, masking, delete, crop, and so on. Finally, you have export option to export the final footage. Here you will find few options to export the better quality. We will discuss them later. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.